How to post carousel on Twitter. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to upload a carousel on your Twitter account. So what I would suggest that you guys do is to upload whatever design that you have into Canva or create it in Canva itself in the first place. Now, why would I ask you to put it in Canva? There are two reasons. The first reason is that so that you could have paginations, as you can see here on our screen, where we could separate our different designs into different pages. And if you share this into a social media, it will automatically recognize that it is different pages. So what you're going to do is to simply separate your different designs into the pages that you want. And after finalizing your pages and design, click on share right here on the top right and click on share on social. As you can see here, Twitter is part of the option that you have. So simply select Twitter over here, and if your Twitter is currently logged into the browser that you are using, it will automatically allow you to post the designs that you are trying to upload. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.